You know that moment when you're staring at the wall, imagining your future self doing everything you wish you were doing right now? Like, you're standing on stage, receiving awards, launching billion-dollar startups, writing books, maybe saving the world. But in reality, you're lying in bed watching YouTube videos about productivity you'll forget by tomorrow. Yeah, that used to be me. A full-time dreamer. Zero-time doer. I had plans, like real plans. Big ones. But they only existed in my head. Perfect, shiny, untouched by reality. Until one day, I cracked. I couldn't take it anymore. And that's when I changed. This is how I stopped being a daydreamer and actually took action. Part 1, the harsh truth I couldn't unsee. Okay, so first, I used to romanticize everything. Every little goal became a movie trailer in my head. One day I'll start my YouTube channel, and it'll blow up instantly. I'll write a best-selling book. Just need to wait for the right, inspired moment. I'll wake up at 5 a.m. and become that person, probably from next Monday. Spoiler alert, Monday never came. And the worst part? I felt productive after these daydreams. Like mentally, I had already lived the success. My brain was like, nice, we crushed it today. But in reality, I did nothing. So I had to face it. I wasn't lazy. I was addicted to the feeling of progress without the pain of progress. That realization hit hard. Part 2, daydreaming isn't the enemy, escapism res. Let's be real, daydreaming isn't bad. Einstein literally said, imagination is more important than knowledge. And I agree. But the problem starts when dreaming becomes a substitute for action. I started to ask myself, am I dreaming to plan or dreaming to escape? If it was escape, I had to pull myself back to earth. Because guess what? No one's hiring daydreamers. No one's giving out awards for best mental screenplay. Part 3, the small habits that broke the loop. Now here's where things shifted. I didn't wake up one day and become David Goggins. I took baby steps. Tiny, stupidly easy actions. Stuff that felt like it didn't matter, but it did. I stopped planning my entire life at once and just planned tomorrow. I gave myself a 2-minute action rule. If a task could be started in under 2 minutes, I did it. I started journaling, not to romanticize my thoughts, but to catch myself escaping into fantasy. That journal became my mirror, and mirrors don't lie. You know what really made me stop? Regret. I imagined myself 10 years older, realizing I'd wasted this version of me, the one full of energy, potential, ideas. And that visual haunted me, not in a horror movie way, but in a what if you never even try kind of way. I knew I'd rather fail doing something than succeed at doing nothing. So, what should you do right after watching this video? Here's your zero fluff, real deal action plan to go from daydreaming to actually doing. Step 1. Brain dump your dreams, open a notebook or a blank Google Doc. Write down everything you keep daydreaming about. Career, success, content, habits, whatever. Don't censor yourself. Get it all out. No one's reading this but you. Step 2. Pick one dream. 1. Look at your list. Circle the one thing that excites you and scares you a little. The one that nags at you the most. That's the one to start with. Step 3. Break it down ruthlessly. Ask yourself, what's the smallest possible step I can take right now to move toward this? Can I do it in 10 minutes or less? If not, break it down more. Example, if you want to start a YouTube channel, don't start a channel. Your first task is write down 3 video ideas in Notes app. Step 4, build a minimum effort habit. Create a daily non-negotiable action that's so easy it's laughable. Like 10 minutes of focused work, no expectations, just show up. You're training consistency, not perfection. Step 5, use the anti-daydream hack. Every time you catch yourself daydreaming, whisper this to yourself. Cool idea, let's make it real. Then take one micro action in that moment. Open the document, set a timer, type the first line. Step 6, track the tiny wins. Use a calendar, app, or a sticky note on your wall. Cross off each day you showed up. You're not tracking results, you're tracking showing up. This builds proof you're not just a dreamer anymore. Final reminder, don't try to overhaul your life overnight. That's another daydream trap. Just start messy. Start now. You can overthink for the next 6 months, or You can look back in 6 months and realize you already became the person you used to only imagine.